Alright, thank you so much, best friend Jollibee. Ayan, napagod si best friend Jollibee. Ayan, best friend Jollibee, tumayo ka dyan. Alright, so this time we request our baby celebrant to please come in front, together with mommy and daddy, for very proud. Ayan, best friend Jollibee. Punta ka muna dito sa harap. Alright, again, we request mommy and daddy, and of course our birthday